Welcome to the tutorial on how to request PMA datasets. Access to high-quality data is key to accurately informing and driving policy and program changes that support the health of every woman and girl. PMA has a new, easy way to access our free datasets so people and organizations may make informed policy and programming decisions or shape their research. I'll walk you through the new process for requesting datasets. PMA survey dataset may be requested through our PMA website. To find out what datasets are currently available, hover over Data and Study Designs on the top navigation menu and click on Available Datasets. All currently available datasets are listed under their respective countries. Here, you can click on each dataset to get to the landing page and view the metadata of the dataset. To request datasets, you can click on the Request Datasets button on this page, or if you are on the PMA homepage, Request Datasets option is also listed in the drop-down list of the Data and Study Designs menu. Either way, this will take you to the same destination. On this Request Datasets page, you'll find a brief description of the steps involved in getting access to the datasets. If you are a new user and do not have a PMA account yet, click on the Create Account button. This will take you to the new account registration form. You'll fill out the form with your information and click on Create New Account to submit. You will then receive an email from PMA. Please follow the instructions in the email to complete your account registration. If you already have an account, click on Existing User Login and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll make the dataset requests on the new request page. Here, you'll make selections for the datasets that interest you. If you have submitted dataset requests previously, you'll see the status of those previous requests next to the survey title. You can also get to the dataset landing page to view the metadata by clicking on the survey title. You can search for specific datasets filtering by country, by survey type, or both. For this tutorial, I'm going to select a few datasets from Ethiopia and Kenya. After making all selections, you'll hit Continue. This will take you to the request confirmation page, where you'll be asked to fill in the request form with information about the project for which the data will be used. Then you'll have to check to agree to our PMA data use policy and click Submit Request. We will review your requests and determine whether to approve access to the data based on the information you provided on this form. This will take about 1 to 2 business days. If your request gets approved, you'll receive an email with an instruction on how to download the datasets. You will also receive an email if your request is declined. Your request may be declined if the nature of your intended usage doesn't comply with our PMA data use policy, or you provided insufficient information about your project. In the latter case, the email will contain instructions on how to submit another request with more information about your project. To download approved datasets, you will log back into your PMA account, and on the Download Datasets page, you'll find a list of your datasets requested. Click on the survey title to get to the dataset landing page. Scroll down to find the attached zipped data file and click to download. The dataset zipped file will then be downloaded to your computer. You can also get to the dataset landing page from the new request page and download the dataset zip file that way as well. PMA may release a new version of the datasets on as-needed basis, in which case you'll receive a notification email of a new version release. You do not need to submit a new request to access the updated version. You can just log back into your PMA account. You'll find the new version already attached to the dataset landing page, and you can just download it from the landing page. Thank you for using PMA data. I encourage you to explore the Data Lab tool and download customized charts and up-to-date family planning data. We look forward to supporting you in your research, policy, and programming needs.